I'm a capitalist. Let me take one more bite, a small one this time. This will not hurt you. You're already dead. This is your fault as well. Your flash smiles of sadness. You have an excess of fidelity and red blood cells. I should not resist when you are cut. I have to go outside and find another war. Buys me the latest Louis Vuitton. I will stay in a luxury hotel with high-wall lobbies and escalators. I never feel sorry for my victims. From crispy skins to frozen hearts, from pickled gourd to private parts, I have got it stored all. Cannibalism waits under my ancestral rugs. I kill after I mate. I'm a perfect predator.